friends, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Grace, and in today's video I'm going to be changing a ceiling tile into a beautiful garden decor. If you've been watching me for a while, you know how I feel about Marketplace. It's just a treasure for finding those little things that you can't always find just anywhere. I purchased this ceiling tile. It's supposed to mimic those sort of aluminum tiles that go on the ceiling. It's quite beautiful, but it is in plastic. Amazon has these 10 in a package for $199. I was fortunate enough that I found it on Marketplace and I paid $20 for 10. But I didn't want to use it for my ceiling. I decided that I was going to paint all this beautiful detail and I was going to use it in my garden. I have a very long fence and I was looking for some decor to put on the fence, but I really didn't want to spend the hundreds of dollars for those kind of panels that go on the fence as decoration. So I thought I have to be a little bit more creative and come up with something. So I've done one already, which I did a video, and today's video is going to be about the second one that I'm going to do. The reason I do these videos is because I'm a believer that you can take almost anything and make it work for you. And I really want to encourage you to do that. So let's not wait anymore. Let's go.
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. It's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it how your touch feels. I love it how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
At 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother, yeah. So I take another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't want.
Now I'm going to be using this one from Bear. It's almost like a terracotta and it's called Rusty Gate.
Stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me, 'cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just wasting time. Tell me how you feel. I don't wanna.
If you're enjoying this video and you like this type of content, thank you. I encourage you to consider subscribing by hitting the red button below. And don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload. I also have a favor to ask. My birthday is in July and I'm at just over 3,500 subscribers. My goal is to, of course, I still have 6 months, but my goal is to get to 5,000. And I can't have this birthday wish come true without you. So I ask that if you do enjoy it, please consider subscribing and sharing this video maybe with someone who enjoys this type of content.
Be a friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed.
So there you go. That's how this one has turned out. I love the other one in red, and I wanted to try something a little bit different. And I did this one in quite different than the other one. I like these colors. Don't mind the noise on the other side. The grandkids are having a field day. It's Sunday night, you know. And yeah, so I'm quite happy with these. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed it, and if you want me to show you the other 8 that I'm going to do. And if you have any color suggestions, I would honestly love to hear it from you. You know, I am so tempted to do a purple. I don't know, but I'll leave it up to you to give me some suggestions. Leave me a comment below and let me know which colors you would like to see me do. Well, that's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Have an amazing week. Always remember that you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. We'll see you next time.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the end.